everyone, welcome back to another vlog, and yes, I have curled my hair. We're going to go to a restaurant launch. I think, yeah, it's not an opening, I think it's already open, but this is like their official launch, which I'm still a bit confused, the grand opening launch, like... Anyway, we're going to go to Baby Eggs, I think, or it's Eggs Baby. I think it's Baby Eggs. I always get the name confused. Like, I've been talking about this for the last week or two and I just keep getting the name confused. But it's in Moorabbin, which is in the southeastern part of Melbourne, I believe. No, or is it south? I don't know. Geographically challenged. Anyway, this is the makeup for the day, and this is my outfit. I'll show you guys a little bit later when I get to the event, like full body and everything. This is my first event in quite some time because we went into a lockdown here in Melbourne, and yeah, a couple of my events got cancelled and stuff. So we're slowly getting back into it. So I'm really excited. Yeah, also I'm really liking this makeup. I've decided to go for a little bit more natural glowy makeup, and yeah, I'm really enjoying it. But anyway, let's go. Hi, Joe. Alright guys, so we are here at the restaurant at Baby Eggs, and I've got a little surprise guest at the back. We've got Brady. So he's pretty much like one of the main attractions here, obviously. But obviously the food, so I'll show you guys a little bit of the menu, and obviously I have got Jo here. She's my +1.
Always a +1.
Yes.
Yes, to free loading channel.
I've got Jo, and I have got Jheffy. Wow. You were saying they were having other things? Alright guys, the food has arrived. So I've got the crispy chicken. The plate looks so extra. Jo's got the hot cake. It's so pretty.
Pretty.
Very pretty, like her. Pretty like her. Yes.
The confidence.
Chips are almost gone, and Jheffy got the, I think it's like spicy scramble?
Chili scramble.
Chili scrambled.
With sardines.
Yes. And what's your drink?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'll try. I may try a smoothie after. Alright guys, so I am back home, and pardon that ginormous pimple. It's an area of my face that just seems to always break out. I think it's because of the facial hair. I don't wear makeup all the time. Like when I'm at work, it's just the mask and the facial hair. I think it's because I'm constantly steaming my face from like obviously breathing. So I just always seem to get pimples just right there. So the place I'm currently working at, they have laser hair removal. So once I can secure a booking, I am definitely getting laser hair removal and continuing my journey of just removing like the beard area. I used to do it at the old place I work at, but the machine broke down after a while. I think I was only able to get maybe a good 6 sessions, and I have to say like laser hair removal was working really well. I started to get like patches just not having hair, and that was really good. Yeah, I was just really happy with the result I was getting, but unfortunately, like I said, the machine broke down. So I'm hoping that at this new place I can just get it done. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to just not having that facial hair there, and then hopefully that actually is going to prevent me from having these breakouts just here. It's literally always here. Everywhere else is fine. But anyway, as you guys can tell, back home. It was really good to just catch up with Joe and Jeffy. I haven't seen them in quite some time. I think probably a month now, just with all the lockdowns and everything. And just meeting new bloggers as well. That location is really, really cute. It's honestly a little bit far for my liking, just because I live on the other side of town. But you know, the restaurant itself, or the cafe I should say, it's actually really cute. Also that baby Grogu, baby Yoda as most people know him as, mural, it was really, really cute. And also the food, the selection was great, and also the serving, like the portion size was really good, and for the price as well. You can't really beat that. So yeah, my partner and I are just deciding what we want to do for dinner. Honestly, I'm not that hungry, but you know, it's dinner time, I have to eat something, so I'll probably eat something and just put the rest away in the fridge. We'll probably just do some takeaway, I'm not really sure just yet. And take my makeup off, I guess, and just chill for a bit. I'm probably just gonna watch my TV show, to be honest. I've been watching The Blacklist. I don't know if I mentioned in the vlogs yet. It's a really good show. It's available on Netflix here in Australia, so if you guys are looking for a nice sort of like crime kind of show, it kind of reminds me of Person of Interest and Scandal. Like, it's like a mishmash of those two shows. If you guys are into those kinds of that kind of genre, definitely check it out. Or I'm just gonna play my video games. My partner just got Age of
Empires 3.
Yeah, there you go, he just answered it. Age of Empires 3 for me. So apparently he had Age of Empires, like I think the first two on Steam, and then he just bought the third one because it was on sale on Steam. So I don't know, I might check it out. I'm still currently playing Marvel's Avengers again. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of like one of those weekends where I don't really know what I want to do, if I want to watch my show or if I want to play my game, so we'll figure that out. Hey guys, it is now Monday and I have got my hair tied up. Sometimes people get confused, like, did you cut your hair? Like, no, I just tied it up. I still have curls in. I've just pulled it all back because I am going to be doing my hair maybe tonight, possibly, I'm not sure yet. Anyway, it is now Monday. I did not vlog yesterday because we went to a family event. Some of you guys probably already know I don't really like filming too many personal event stuff like that because, you know, this is my thing. I don't like sharing it with, and I guess making other people feel awkward, so yeah. Anyway, I am filming my end clip. I just wanted to do like a quick announcement. I'm going to do a proper announcement in the next video, but I am going to be vlogging more on this channel, which is something I've been wanting to do, but you guys will find out more in the next video. Anyway, that is pretty much it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, hit the subscribe button. If you guys are already, make sure you hit the notification bell, because for some reason YouTube has just completely decided not to push my videos to you guys anymore, so it's really disheartening and annoying that that's a thing. But anyway, that is pretty much it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.